The reading for today consists of card 34 from the Manara Erotic Oracle and the Judgment from the Milo Manara Erotic Tarot. Card 34 of the Erotic Oracle deck is ruled by Selena in Cancer and also the root chakra. And the title of this card is The Roads to Regret or Remorse. Selena is the light side of the moon, representing inspiration and connection to spirit. Cancer represents the emotional journey, and its symbol is the ocean. The ocean is very beautiful when you are on the shore or on a yacht, but much more dangerous and scary when you are submerged in it. The root chakra is our ability to ground and connect to nature. This should be our constant perspective, but humanity will seek greater things without ever realizing that this moment could possibly be the greatest thing. So the question is, wherever you're at in your journey, this moment can be a great moment. But if you imagine that the future is better, then you're ultimately fooling yourself. The next card in this reading is Judgment, or the orgasmic force within you. When we judge people, places, and things correctly, we are also unlocking our orgasmic truth. When we judge incorrectly, we will find ourselves searching for that orgasmic truth. Learning how to purify your mind and your body will give you clarity, which will also give you a fresh start to judge correctly. Learning from your mistakes as opposed to regretting your mistakes is our message today. Change is good, normal, and expected. When we are wishing for things to stay the same, we are also out of alignment with the universe. Even further, regrets and remorse are natural things, and this reading shows why you should feel those things truthfully. As you feel these things authentically, you will also figure out what you can do about it. So be present, ground, and keep growing. One of the things that gets confused about the spiritual journey is your search for the perfect orgasm. Orgasm is also called a climax or a final decision that has been made. So be mindful when you come. An orgasm also represents a new beginning. So post-orgasm, what did you do with your mind as you were going through this orgasmic experience? And of course, the greater the connection, the greater the orgasm for those who like to cheat by slaver baits or masturbates, depending on how you want to look at it. Overall, with greater connection, you also expand your world and your reality. And to grow is to know the parts of you that must be known and learned. But are you mature enough to grow past your current comfort zone? And also understanding that there is no place where comfort is good. Life is about the journey, not the destination. And this is what this reading is pointing out today. Hope you enjoyed this. Peace.